Today we are going to be talking about Seesaw. Seesaw is a platform for student engagement that connects teachers, students, and parents. Teachers can assign activities. Students can complete the activities, and teachers will be able to provide feedback on activities. Announcements can be sent to students and parents through Seesaw as well. Accessing Seesaw. Go to your ClassLink page and scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for a white box with a colorful bow tie that says Seesaw and click on it. This will bring you to a class page. On the left side of the screen, there will be a list with all the Seesaw classes that you are a part of. At the top is a plus sign that says Create New Class. Assign the name and the grade level for this class when you click on the button. You will not need to do this option though, because your classes are linked with your Infinite Campus rosters. Students can access Seesaw the same way that you did by going through ClassLink. Creating a Seesaw assignment. Select a class that you want to create the assignment for. I'm going to click on my model class. This is my model class homepage. You can see my class list over here, the assignments that are coming in, the journal where all the students' names will appear. I can add students and families here by typing in their name, the activities that I've posted, my inbox if I have any messages, and the skills that have been addressed through the activities. I'm going to go back to my journal page. To create the assignment, I'm going to click on the green plus sign on the right side that says Add, and I have three options here: Post Student Work, Assign Activity, and Send Announcement. Select Assign Activity. This will bring you to the activity library. On the activity library, you have My Library, which contains all the assignments that you have created, School and District, which contains assignments made by the Fulton County School District or Manning Oaks teachers, and Community, which is the Seesaw community. You can select grade level and subjects to narrow your search. Let's go back to My Library. I'm going to click the plus sign, Create New Activity. First, assign a name for the activity. Then type in student instructions. I can also, when I'm typing in my instructions, add in voice instructions. I'm going to do this now. So you'll just click Add Voice Instructions, click the little microphone blue button to begin recording, and you might have to say Allow. Sort the words into nouns or verbs. Write 2 sentences with 2 nouns. And then I click Stop. My voice recording will appear here. I can play it to see if I like it, or I can trash it and restart it over. I can also add multimedia instructions or examples. If you have a rubric or a file to include, you can do that here. You can also include photos, drawings, videos of yourself, upload a file, photo, or video, add in notes or a link. I'm going to keep scrolling. Down here is where you can add a student template. So if you want students to fill out a worksheet or a page or something like that, this is where you can add that template. You have the same options. I'm going to go to Upload. I'm going to select for my computer, and I am going to add in a worksheet. Now my worksheet is loaded into my activity. On my activity page, you can see that my assignment is not oriented correctly. I'm going to need to change this. I'm going to go over to the hand and I'm going to click at the top, and this is going to orient my pages correctly. I'm going to go to the hand, click on the bottom, and orient my page. Now they're both the correct way. Seesaw offers many tools when adding a template to your activity. On the left-hand side, you can see a variety of tools. The first tool is an option for text, voice, if I need to record more instructions for this page, a camera that allows you to insert photos, videos, and uploads. The 3 dots allows you to add shapes. It allows you to change the background color. It also allows you to link to a website or another URL. The quotation marks at the bottom allow you to add a voice caption. On the top bar up here, I'm able to delete my assignment if I want to start over, zoom in, crop, or undo. This is a very helpful tool when you use drawing. On my right side, it shows the pages that are in my activity. At the bottom, I can add more pages if I need to. And on my bottom row of tools, I have my hand, which allows me to move either the template or a text box when I insert one. I have a pencil and I can change the colors, as well as a marker, a highlighter, another marker, and an eraser. I'm going to type in a text box to show you what that looks like. I can lock it, I can move it, I can do whatever I need to. And I'm just going to type in a word for them to sort. I can change the color, so I could say dog. And then when students come into the assignment, they are able to drag the text box into the correct spot, or they can use one of the drawings tools and write it in. Once I finish my activity, and I can do the same thing on this page, I'm going to click the green check mark at the top. It's going to upload my activity. Then I get to check it to make sure that everything is there that needs to be there. Down here at more options, I can write teacher notes if I want to share this activity with other teachers and explain my thinking. I can also add in skills, which are standards. I'm going to click save. Now my activity has been made, and when I'm ready to assign it to students, I can click assign right here and select the class. I can also select certain students that I want to do this assignment, or I can also schedule when this assignment will be released. Now I'm going to learn how to provide feedback to my class. I'm going to go back to my journal. I gotta go find my class, and you can see that a student has submitted the work for this assignment. I can click on it and I can see the full view. I can also click view original if I want to see what the original assignment looks like. To provide feedback, I can like the assignment. This way the student knows that I've seen it. I can also type in comments by clicking the comment button. I can also, there was an option, and I think I'll have to click it again. I could type, or I could record my commentary as well. There is an option, and it does not do this because it is a sample student, but at the top you will see approve or unapprove. When you click approve, That means the student does not need to revise the work. When you click Unapprove, Seesaw will send the assignment back to the student with your feedback and allow them to resubmit the assignment to you. In conclusion, Seesaw is a great tool for students and teachers to utilize. There are many ways to make Seesaw work for your classroom, subject, and students. It also makes a really nice portfolio for student work and is easily accessible for parents to view. I hope you are now more confident in using Seesaw within your classroom.